Amazing. Look over here.
Dan Gordon, and I'm here tonight for a screening of a documentary that I was involved in for BBC Northern Ireland called More Than a Flag, and it was based around me working with some young bandsmen from East Belfast and doing a project about World War I.